Demonstration of vacuum clamping. Technology for 0.3 mm thick PET film. Prepare 3 different sizes of PET films. Measure the thickness of PET film. The thickness of the 3 specifications of PET film is close to 0.3 mm. First, test the PET film of 20 cm 20 cm 03 mm. Place it anywhere on the vacuum table. Use a ruler to flatten the severely warped PET film. PET film is clamped quickly. Use a ruler to gently tap the side of the film. The diameter of the suction hole can be customized at 5 mm. Change the position of the PET film and test it again. Move to a new location again. The vacuum table has no requirements for the position of the film. Replace a large size PET film. Auxiliary pressing is required to ensure the fit between the film and the vacuum table. Ruler impact test. Reliable clamping. The same vacuum table can fix PET films of various sizes. Vacuum tables with individual switches can also be customized. Turn off the vacuum and the clamping force disappears immediately. Testing a long strip of PET film. Fixed very flat. A4 paper cannot feel the suction around the film. Electronic valve control switches can be customized. A closer look at the fixation effect. Center hole distance can be customized 14 mm 40 mm. If you have any questions, please leave a message in the comment section.